minus 20 degrees outside, snow on the ground. Not really rallycross weather yet, but we are working flat out in the workshop. On this episode, we are going to polish the trophies. No, just kidding. On this episode, number 4, we are going to disassemble the car. We're going to take out the engine. We're going to take out the gearbox, the rear diff, everything.
He's in the championship fight for open two-wheel drive. We're going to go on board for a lap with him now of this incredible circuit.
On this episode, number 4, we are going to disassemble the car. We're going to take out the engine. We're going to take out the gearbox, the rear diff, everything, so we can start to inspect everything, so it's 100% when the season starts. So no time to waste. Let's start. Rallycross. It's you have to have the whole package get together to get the nice result. So as we're working here in the workshop, I'm gonna take a few moments to practice some winning champagne showers.
The winner of effing everything, Victor Johansson.
Jokes aside, I'm gonna keep on working here in the workshop. I think this is maybe the most important time of the season. This is where I get all my confidence going into the season, going into the races. I know I've done everything I can to prep the car, make it as fast and reliable as possible. So I think this workshop hours that I put in during the winter time is really important, and it's most certainly gonna pay off in the future this summer. Yeah. The engine is out from the car. We of course have a few parts left on the chassis, like the shock absorbers, the subframe, and some other parts, but we will take those apart as we check those things later on. The engine we have mounted on the engine stand here, so in the next videos I will start to disassemble the Mercedes engine. And here we have got the rear subframe with the hybrid unit. I will make a own video about the hybrid system where I describe the whole system later on too. So please subscribe so you don't miss out any cool content here from my YouTube channel. So we're gonna keep on disassemble everything. Of course we need to fix this dents in the chassis. We need to take out the hybrid battery, the fuel tank, and everything so we can push everything out. I don't really know yet, but maybe we will paint everything too, but I will see how much time we have left when that time comes. So that's it for this episode. I hope you like my content, and please comment if you want to see anything else and anything more, but I will keep making these videos as we go. So thank you for watching, and I see you next time.